Hey guys, no time to hit the gym? No problem. This 10-minute belly fat blaster is here to torch calories, boost energy, and help you crush your fitness goals right from home. No equipment, no excuses. Let's get moving. This workout is designed for busy professionals who want maximum results in minimum time. We're focusing on fat-burning, core-strengthening moves that work your entire body. Ready to get started? Here's the breakdown. 5 moves, 40 seconds each, with a 20-second rest in between. First up, high knees. Drive those knees up to your chest as fast as you can. Keep your core tight and stay light on your feet. This will elevate your heart rate and kickstart that calorie burn. Next, plank to shoulder taps. Get into a push-up position, tap your shoulder with the opposite hand, and keep your body steady. This one's a killer for your core and stability. Jump squats are up next. Go low, explode up, and land softly. This builds power and torches fat. You'll feel the burn, but it's worth it. Mountain climbers, bring those knees to your chest while keeping your core engaged. It's like running in a plank position. Push yourself here. This move is a game changer. Finally, burpees. Love them or hate them, they're the ultimate fat burner. Drop into a squat, kick your legs out, hit a push-up, and jump back up. And strong. Don't hold back. Halfway through? Stay with me. Remember, this is your time to break a sweat and take control of your health. These 10 minutes are all about you. Push harder, and you'll feel the difference. Great job, guys. Take a moment to cool down and stretch it out. Hydrate and breathe deeply. Your body just did some amazing work. You made it through. Awesome work. Remember, consistency beats perfection. Just 10 minutes a day can make a huge difference in your energy, stress levels, and weight loss journey. Hit that subscribe button for more quick workouts, and I'll see you in the next video.